down and try to go like this. Am I doing it right?
You can't touch the black.
Oh, I just did. Now I'm out.
Nope. You can't touch the black.
Oh my God. Go to level 1, hit it. Now you go to play again.
No.
What do you do?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just to start over. Oh, okay.
And you can't touch the...
Oh, I did it again.
hold on, my AM. Okay. Oh, you're on the wrong thing. No! You clicked an ad. She's gonna give my computer viruses.
Sorry. Play the maze. All right.
What?
I got so dizzy from it I couldn't do it.
Okay. Play. Okay.
Dominic could be screaming at me. Could you see that screen or no? That's so good. I already touched the black. Oh, there you go. Now go back.
Only click it when you get on the ride or whatever. No, you don't have to click it the whole time.
Oh. Oh! I can't do it. I can't do it.
Just do it.
I can't.
I've seen old ladies do that.
I ran in the kitchen and took it out of there when she was done. Oh, there you get better.
See, you just gotta get used to it.
Yeah. You do it real fast, Dominique?
Yeah.
I bet you're like through this like white lightning. Damn, I got up, she's there. No, Mom, do it.
You have to do it. You have to do it.
Don't get you to the point where she can film you. Oh, when I'm freaking out?
Oh, I'm already videoing.
Oh, no. I have medicine in the car. I'll be fine. Oh, no. Mine's at the store. I said, when I take the shower, I'll be there. I haven't left the house. Oh, my God. I'll go out of my friggin' mind. Oh, my God. There's more important things to do in life. Oh, my God.
Wait, no, you have to do it. You have to.
This is like doing a friggin' puzzle. Trying to find the friggin' piece. Oh, now I gotta go through this little friggin' thing? Oh, my God. How am I gonna get through there?
You just have to do it.
Don't get your mesmerized and then you get the shit scared out of you. She does that all the time. I swear she does it all the time.